Hello students. Today in this video we will discuss on the same topic, operations on real number, but in our exercise 1.5. okay, how the operation works on real numbers, let us see. Okay, so in the question number 1 we have to see that classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Okay, the examples are given, we have to say that which are rational, which are irrational according to our those rules which we have seen in the previous video. Okay, so first question is 2 minus root 5. 2 minus root 5. 2 is a rational or irrational number? Rational number. 5, root 5 is rational or irrational? Rational. So here what is being done? Rational minus irrational. So as you have seen in the rules, the result will be irrational. The result will be irrational. Now in the second question, 3 plus under root 23 minus under root 23. Okay, this is our question. So when we open the bracket, 3 is the rational number and under root 23 is an irrational number. Okay, so both these will be irrational, both these will be, means the number which is inside the bracket is irrational. Now irrational and this is also irrational. Okay, so when we open the bracket, root 23, so inside this is plus under root 23 minus under root 23, they will get cancelled to give us 3, which is rational. Okay, irrational and irrational both have got subtracted to give us rational. Okay, now the third question, 2 root 7 upon 7 root 7. 2 root 7 upon 7 root 7. Yes, you can see here the same thing will get cancelled, which is in the product form. Root 7 will cancel to give us 2 upon 7, which is in the form of p by q, where p and q both are integers and q is not equals to 0. So it is what? Rational. This is also rational. Here we have got irrational. Okay. Now the fourth one, 1 upon root 2. 1 upon root 2. Yes. So we have seen the division of a rational and an irrational number will give us always what? Irrational. Will give us irrational. Okay. Now the fifth question, 2 pi. We have seen, and you should know that pi is an irrational number. Yes, students, pi is an irrational number. When you will find what is the value of pi, pi is equals to 22 upon 7. 22 upon 7. When you divide 22 up by 7, will get what? Non-terminating and non-reoccurring decimal. Non-reoccurring means neither it will terminate, means remainder also you are not going to get 0, plus the numbers will not repeat, will be unrepeated. Okay, so non-terminating as well as non-reoccurring decimal you are going to get when you divide 22 by 7. So it is what? Pi is an irrational. So 2 into irrational numbers will give you again irrational. Okay, so this how we can follow the rules to have the rational and irrationals in the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, the next question, simplification we have to do. Means the number in the pair, it is given rational and irrational, we need to multiply them. Okay, so first question, first part says 3 plus under root 3 into 2 plus under root 2. So 3 plus root 3. We have seen in the first question 3 plus root 3, rational, irrational. This is whole, irrational. The whole becomes irrational. Again here, rational, irrational. It is again become irrational. Now we are going to multiply irrational and irrational, and we will see what result we will get, rational or irrational. Okay, it depends upon the situation I said in the rules. So here we will see. Now it will go according to our formula a plus b into a minus b. What is that? A plus b into a minus b. A is square. It's not, no? A plus b into c plus d. It is. It's totally different, na? A, b, c, d. They are totally different. So here how it will be? A into c, then a into d, then plus b into c, and then b into d. So according to this rule, it will go 3 into 2, 6. 3 into root 2. 3 into root 2. Then now this 3, 2 will get multiplied plus 2 root 3. 2 root 3. And here root 3 root 2. Root 3 into root 2. Yes. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 2. So 3 root 2. Root 3 into 2. 2 root 3. And then plus 3 will go to the root 2 also. So root 3 into root 2. So 6 here. They are not same. So it will be as it is. 3 root 2. 2 root 3. Then plus root 3 into root 2 under root 6. So students, what kind of number if we are going to solve? It will be again irrational. Okay? Or you need not to write it is a rational or irrational. Simply the question we have got to multiply with irrational and irrational. This answer will come. So you leave it as it is. Okay? Now the second question. Second question. 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. Here plus rational plus irrational. Irrational. Rational minus irrational. Again irrational. Now we have to multiply. Now it will go with the formula a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. A square minus b square. So here a plus b into a minus b, or you can do it according to that also, the same result you will get. Okay. So 3 into a square, that is 3 whole square minus b square root 3 whole square. So 3 square, 3 3s are 9, and root 3 square will give you 3. Square of under root numbers will give you that number. Okay. Then 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 3, 6. What is this number? Rational or irrational? Rational. So in the first question the answer we had irrational, and in the second question the answer we have rational. So dear students, you have seen, depending upon the kind of irrational numbers or the combination of rational or irrational what we take or what we will come across in the question will give you rationals or irrationals. Okay. Thank you so much.